You're from Nanded. Anybody else from faraway places? Not Noida, not Ghaziabad. Ghaziabad kaun tha? Oh, Ghaziabad. Okay, not that these are bad places. Huh? I have lived in Vaishali. I have lived in Vasundhara. Beyond your wherever. Where are you from? You're from Rajnagar Extension. Where are you from? Indirapuram. Okay. Yeah. Somebody else raised the hand. Yeah, where are you from? Banaras. Oh, wonderful. I love Banaras. Come. He's been to Banaras, my colleague. Let me introduce my colleague. He's far away. He's from a very far away place also. You want to guess where he's from? Come. He's going to stand here and you guys are going to guess where he is from. Huh? One minute. No, you have to ask him a question. And through the series of questions you're going to ask him, you people will come and whisper in my ear where he is from. You're not going to tell it aloud. Huh? You're going to ask him a question. Huh? So, you guys want to ask the question first because you guys are from far away. We want to Atithi Devo Bhava or Atithi tum kab jaoge? I don't know. You want to ask him a question and he'll answer and then you will come and whisper to me where he is from. I want you to guess the place he is from, not the state that he is from. Huh? So you can ask him a question, you can ask a question. Go ahead.
Give us an idea.
They are going to ask a question first.
He's from his home.
Specific place. Other than that, you can ask. Other than this, yeah. She asked, "What's your mother tongue?" So that question I have said, ask a little more intelligent question. Huh? What's your staple food? Okay. 1 minute, one by one. Huh? 1 minute. Acha, questions will be. Please respect the person. Questions will be one by one. Interaction will be one by one. Huh? And you will maybe come up here and ask him the question. Shake his hand and ask the question. Anybody who has to ask the question has to either shake his hand or say hello to him or tell something about yourself. You have to tell something about yourself and then ask the question. Rather than asking what is your staple food, you have to say my staple food is this and then ask what is your staple food. So you have to tell something about yourself and then ask something about him. I think now the number of questions will be much smaller, isn't it? Now there's going to be no noise. Huh? Yeah, you asked your question. That's all, and he told you. Why don't you tell him something about yourself? Go ahead, go across to him. Kanpur? Good. Let him finish. Huh? We believe in serial interaction. Huh? Yeah. And anything you want to share about the interaction which will help everybody, you go there at the center next to the cameraman and share. Yeah. What? One more mic? Okay. This is off. We're on. Okay. Yeah.
Didn't say anything special actually, and by his way of speaking.
Can you address all these people? Can you address all these people rather than speaking to me? Yeah.
By his way of speaking,
Are they listening to you? Are they all interested in listening to you?
Yes.
Is this guy interested in listening to you? This guy? Is this guy interested? No, this guy.
I was spotting very strong.
How are you spotting?
I asked him,
You asked him something. What did you ask him?
what's the best tourist spot in your place?
What's the best tourist spot in your place? And which one is it?
Kaziranga National Park.
Kaziranga National Park, Assam. Okay. So where is he from?
Nagaon.
Huh? Nagaon. How did you decide it's Nagaon? And somebody's phone is ringing. Somebody's phone is the most vital part of your body is ringing. Can we do something about it? The most vital organ in your being. Yeah. It's working. Yeah. Isn't it the most vital organ or is there a more important organ? How many of you have left your most vital organ in the bag, in the library, with the driver, at home? Where have you left it? Oh, they have left it with you. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Very interesting. Okay, you asked your question? You want to do it? हाँ. मराठी विचारू शकतोस तू? मराठी नहीं आती. Okay. हाँ. नांदेड़ का है, उसको मराठी नहीं आती. Okay. तुम कानपुर के हो, तुम्हें तो हिंदी आती है ना? और आप? You said you are from? Banaras. हाँ, you are from Banaras. Which part of Banaras are you? Memurgarh. Okay. I spent a lot of time in Banaras many years ago. Huh? Anybody else wants to ask Partha anything? Any of the teachers want to ask? Usually people ask only when we promise some gift. कि एक perk दूंगा, एक Kit Kat दूंगा. The teachers ये सब करते हैं. मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ. That's why the teachers are used to, they're used to प्रलोभन कहते हैं उसे. बनारस की भाषा में प्रलोभन कि कुछ आपको मिलेगा, तभी हम कुछ करते हैं, है ना? Is it like that? That I didn't promise anything, so you people are sitting here. If I had said that, 25 questions who were asked, they will get an eclair or something, then people would have, gang raped this fellow, isn't it? Isn't it? And I would have had to rescue him using a Gateway Institute sexual harassment policy. Don't harass him with questions. Yeah. So thank you, Partha, for answering all these guys. So Partha is from Tezpur in Assam. Yeah, there's a place in Assam called Tezpur. Yeah, you know that place? Ah, okay. And he's a researcher at IIT Delhi. He's a civil engineer. Yeah, you guys want to sit down? You guys want to sit down here, if you don't mind? Better, just sit here. Yeah. How many of you would like to sit like this, rather than how you are sitting? Yeah. So please take your chair respectfully behind and sit right here. How many of you would like to sit on the ground? Feel more comfortable, huh? Yeah, do that. Wonderful. How many of you would like to sit on the ground? Huh? Because we have a notion, no? Teachers find that students don't respond. They're thinking about something else most of the time. Are you feeling like you're punished right now? Are you feeling like you're punished? Anybody feeling like you're punished? I've asked you to sit on the ground. Huh? Next time I ask you to do something more funny. You don't feel like sitting on the ground. Oh, and what about you? You're more comfortable sitting on this. That's wonderful. Okay, that's wonderful. Great. We are going to come soon to this, huh? We are having fun already. Come. Tell me why you are having fun. We'll now find out why this girl has said. So she's going to say why she thinks this event she's having fun already. She's going to tell. You introduce yourself and share that. Yeah.
My name is Ranjika Patel. I'm a student from I find this workshop very interactive. It's very much fun.
Very interesting. That means we are recognizing all the animals in this room. All the rhinoceros, all the hippopotamus. Thank you. Ruchika, you said. Ransika. Vanshika. Great. So, and you will still like to sit on the chair or you like to sit here? Come, please come. How many of you still want to cling on to those stupid chairs that you are sitting on right now? And how many of you would like to join these people who's like Vanshika, who seem to be having more fun? तुम अभी भी ऊपर ही बैठना चाहते हो? Stubborn guy. Okay. Now it's very interesting. So I want to ask a question. This question is only for those people who are sitting on chairs, huh? Because you people have already answered this question for me. Huh? The question that I'm going to ask them, you people have already answered, right? Question hai, why are you here? Oh, no. People who are already sitting here have in some way already answered that question. Now, how they have answered that question, I'll tell you a little later. But yeah, some people from this group who are sitting on the stools, chairs, are going to answer this question, why are you here? But you have to come up here. Why are you here? And you have complete freedom to answer this question. Forget that your teachers are here. Forget that some of the Gateway Institute senior administrators are, but you have to be loud. Huh? You have to assume that the mic is not working. Can you assume that the mic is not working? and then speak into it.
We are here to attend the workshop.
We are here to attend the workshop.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Something like this workshop is joy is you. So
Okay.
I guess it's about happiness or something that it lies within you.
Okay.
So you should enjoy your own company. So
You should enjoy your own company. What's your name?
not every time. Right?
Not every time. What does it mean? हमेशा अकेले नहीं रह सकते. Okay. What's your name? What's your name?
Anupriya Agarwal.
Anupriya Agarwal. Okay, okay. Where are you from? And where are you from?
I'm from New Delhi.
From New Delhi. Okay, wonderful. Okay, anybody else wants to answer this question? Why are you here? On a wonderful Saturday morning when all the peacocks are dancing in Delhi, in this God-forsaken place called Sonipat, why are you here? All the way, far away, no Facebook. Your phones have been taken away. Most vital organ has been taken away. Why are you here? People on chairs only. Why are you here? Anybody? Why are you here? कैसे करिए देखो? Why are you here? To enjoy. Obviously to enjoy. Obviously, damn it, stupid, to enjoy. Is that what you see? What are you saying? Say it aloud. Come up here. Why are you all here? Not people sitting here. It's obviously about. Was it obvious that I would pull these people down? It's obviously about. Everything is obvious, you know. Obvious कैसे हो गया मेरे को बताओ? In normal workshops we sit on chairs. And this is a normal workshop for you because you're still sitting in a chair. So why don't you make it a little abnormal? Join Vanshika. Come. Please come. Wonderful. Yeah. All of you also want to attend a normal workshop like our friend. She said in normal workshop we sit on chairs and this is a special workshop because I'm sitting on a chair. Stupid. Don't you understand? Come. In normal workshops we sit on chairs and this workshop is an enjoyable workshop. Oh my God. So see the effect. अरे तू पिघल गया यार. सर्दी में घी पिघल गया. कैसे? तू इधर आ. इसको तो बोला ही नहीं मैंने. नीचे बैठ. तू नीचे क्यों बैठा? तेरे को बुरा तो नहीं लगेगा मैं तेरे को तू बोल दिया? Why are you here? Please share. Why are you here? Now I'm going to see Soumya Agarwal, I think, moving out of a chair, and we are going to take a picture of that. Partha, take a picture of Soumya Agarwal sitting here. So how much furniture can we get rid of at Gateway Institutes? So today we are going to find out how much money educational institutes can save by getting rid of stupid furniture, and some of them could be teachers. Don't mind. I'm a teacher myself. Okay. So would you rather I go to the next slide or I continue like this? Slide or continue? Okay. हाँ, इन लोगों से बात करें. अरे क्यों उस पे चिपके हुए हैं? कुछ पता? इनकी मर्जी. ईसब गोल नहीं लिया इसलिए बैठे हुए हैं. सिनकारा नहीं लिया. मैं बेचारा काम के बोझ का मारा. मुझे चाहिए हमदर्द का टॉनिक सिनकारा. मैं बेचारा. ये सब बेचारे बैठे हुए हैं. ऐसा मेरे को लग रहा है. ये बेचारे are you guys all feeling that ये बेचारे लोग बैठे हुए हैं यहाँ पे? They're not having fun, no? They're resisting. Do you get a feeling that they're resisting? They're reluctantly here. Do we also behave like that in life? Yeah, thanks. What's your name? Karthik. Sit here. No. Either way. So you sit here behind this girl. You sit. Come here. Can you guys make some room for this guy? No, your bag will be safe. No, इधर से जाओ. Either like this, and like this, and like this, and like this. Here. Come here. इधर से भी तो जा सकते हैं. Yeah, that's right. मुझे चाहिए. बैठो यार. अरे जगह बनाएंगे लोग. Can you ask people for help? जगह है कि नहीं? जगह कैसे बनी? तो मेरे को बताएगा तू थोड़ी देर बाद कि कैसे बनी जगह नहीं है. ओके, एनीबडी? मुझे चाहिए हमदर्द का टॉनिक सिंकारा. है सिंकारा? गेटवे कॉलेज में सिंकारा बोतल है, बड़ी वाली है, वो पिलाएंगे तभी हिलेंगे. Okay, so what can you guys do to ensure? Oh my God, this lady has moved. पहले तो वो अपने पार्टनर को छोड़ने को तैयार नहीं थी, पीछे उसको पीट रही थी. तुमने पुलिस में एफआईआर किया कि नहीं? पीट रही थी तेरे को. Come up, come up, come up. Why did you move down? Come up, come up, come up, come up. I saw you. I noticed you. Come. Yeah, you. Am I asking the right person or not? Yeah. And you come with her. No. You get that guy. No, get both of you. One of you, we are losing time. I have to complete the contents of the session. Come on. या मैं आऊं या आप लोग आएंगे? उसके लिए भी सोचना पड़ रहा है इतना. Come on. Can you guys give him a shoulder, lift him up? No, I'm going to come otherwise. Okay. Now if I'm going to come, फिर 3-4 को उठाऊंगा. Come up and take that guy. उसको जिसको पीटा तूने, इसको पीट रही थी, बुरी तरह से पीट रही थी. Come and come. अब आप पहले बताओगे क्यों पीट रही थी और बाद में बताओगे क्यों चेयर से नीचे उतरी. और आप लोग भी नीचे उतरना चाहते हो या ऊपर ही बैठोगे? ऊपर ही ठीक है. थोड़ा आप लोग बाहर घूम के आ जाओ 15 मिनट. नहीं 10 मिनट बाहर जाके आ जाओ. नहीं एसी नहीं, बाहर जाके. दिस रो विल लीव आउट. फेरारी यू लीडर ऑफ द टीम. 10 मिनट एक कॉलेज का चक्कर लगा के आ जाओ. फिर देखते हैं ऊपर बैठना चाहते हो या नीचे. चलो जल्दी. हाँ 10 मिनट. लेकिन मैं 10 मिनट देखूंगा और मैं भी आ जाऊंगा, हो सकता है दौड़ने तुम लोगों के साथ. या कम. या व्हाई डिड यू मूव डाउन? Some don't mind. That's okay. Huh? Yeah. Now you will tell why were you beating the shit out of that guy? Weren't you beating that guy? ये बैग क्यों पहना हुआ है? You have my things, okay? Now you will tell why you were punching that guy, and then now you are going to also explain why you shifted from the chair to the floor. No. First you are going to say why did you punch that guy? He was talking nonsense. Okay. So Indian women cannot accept nonsense. I won't take nonsense. Okay. Go ahead. Very nice. More joy because everybody was sitting down. That's wonderful. That's absolutely wonderful. You're part of the crew, so you cannot sit down. You have work to do. You have other things to do. You are writing down notes. You are recording the session. What are you doing? You are waiting for me to sit down, and then you will sit down. Many reasons. Okay. What's your name? Muskan. Sit, Muskan. यहाँ पे काटे हैं, वहाँ पे यहाँ पर मिला. नहीं सुनो. निकाल दिया ना इसने. You say thank you to him ना? वहाँ पे भी है. दो. Better please sit. Yeah, that's very interesting. Okay. So I encourage you to. So are you feeling simple? Are you feeling that somebody is communicating to you right now? Yeah, somebody is connecting to you right now. Would you like to also connect to people like this wherever you are? Tomorrow, yeah, you will be beyond the grade 8 or grade 9. Grade 8 कौन थे? Grade 8, yeah. We will not be in grade 8 for more than 2-3 years, isn't it? Maximum 2-3 years you will be in grade 8. Maximum 5-6 years you will be in grade 9. Some people complete their graduation but they remain forever in that age group of 21. You know, they keep shopping at Forever 21 in New Delhi. They remain Forever 21, you know. So they never want to acknowledge that I'm 22, I'm 23, you know. You know that brand, Forever 21? You've not heard of that brand? You heard of that brand? You know that brand very well. You're already 21? Your mom is 21. She remains 21 by shopping there every year. Any other age group can also shop from there. But what is that brand name trying to communicate, Forever 21? That you stay young forever, isn't it? And we all want to stay young forever. And for that we have to pay a huge amount of money by shopping at Forever 21 and not at Sarojini Nagar market. You think so? Or to be successful. Basically what it means is that to be successful you have to go to IIT. How many of you think that? That to be successful you have to go to IIT. How many of you think like that? Or you have to go to IIM? How many of you think like that? आप लोगों से मिला था पहली बार मैं, लिस्ट पे आप लोग देख रहे थे कि हमें खाना नहीं बनाने जाना है, हमें खिलौने नहीं बनाने जाना है, इसीलिए हम यहाँ आ गए। ऐसे कितने लोग यहाँ पे उस कारण से आए कि इसके साथ था, हाँ, भारतीय नारी ये आई कि मेरे को खाना नहीं बनाना है, आई डोंट टेक नॉनसेंस, सो दैट्स व्हाई शी इज हियर। हु एल्स इज हियर कि मेरे को खाना नहीं बनाना है, मेरे को खिलौने नहीं बनाना है, इसलिए मैं यहाँ आ गया। खाना नहीं बनाना है और I like cooking, but यहाँ नहीं बनाना है, but this is a normal workshop because you're sitting on a chair. You're still, look at this woman, she's still hanging on to a chair. And what about you? Oh, your pain in your, that's it. Oh, there's back my pain, okay. No, I believe you. I believe you. Don't you think I believe you guys in whatever you are saying? Do you think I'm believing you or I'm poking fun at you or disbelieving you? What do you think? I'm believing you, huh? Okay. So, would you like to believe people in your life? And is it important that before believing people, आप आगे आइए, आप आगे छिपे हुए हैं आप वहां पे कि कोई नजर मेरे से नहीं मिला दे, गलती से भी कोई सवाल नहीं पूछ ले, ऐसे स्ट्रैटेजिक पोजीशन में बैठते हैं ना। In IIT, I talk about a strategic position. You want to tell me something? You want to share something with these guys?
I can.
You can. Okay. In IIT, I talk about a very important thing. क्या हुआ? You went to the wrong place? You were in your room. When you come up here, they were all, sitting there, stiff like skeletons, not wanting to talk to me. Now they've all come down here. They're all very happy. They don't want this session to end tonight, isn't it? They think that I'm going to serve them some vodka, rum, whatever. I don't know what you're thinking. Huh? Okay, so in IIT, I say that, IIT students, I teach at IIT Delhi. Of course, I'm going to talk about Joyce U in a little bit. I may use the slides, or I may not use a slide, or I may give you a very powerful methodology that when your PowerPoint doesn't work, how do you make your body into a PowerPoint? Right? Right now, are you feeling absence of that PowerPoint? Huh? Or you're feeling energy or not? You're feeling energized. How are you feeling energized? Why are you feeling energized? Anybody? ऊर्जा क्यों महसूस हो रही है? एक मिनट, लंच की वजह से ऊर्जा नहीं है। ऊर्जा महसूस हो रही है। हिंदी समझ में आती नहीं, सिर्फ हरियाणवी बोलते हो? हाँ, कौन से ग्रेड में हो? 10th में। इधर कम आजा। उसको उठाओ यार थोड़ा, उठाओ उसको। हाँ, उठ नहीं रहा। नाम क्या है? विनय, प्लीज। Okay, some people are so shy, isn't it? Okay, so I talk in my class about something that you must have seen in Hindi movies, and some people here, this lady. Who's this lady? I moved one lady now. One person I moved in a black dress. Where is she? Yeah. What's her name? Shaleen and Vinay. Okay, mean almost the same thing. I say that, we watched so many Hindi movies while growing up, isn't it? All of you have watched so many Hindi movies. The latest one you watched is Veere Di Wedding? Not yet. Razi you have watched? Razi you have watched. Okay. You watched Razi. You liked it? Bhartiya Nari liked it. And Vanshika liked it. Who else liked Razi? That's very nice. अभी भी कोई और चीज केमिकल चाहिए वहां नीचे बिठाने के लिए? See? Give me a hand, Soumya. Give me a hand. देखो थोड़ी देर बाद पूरा हरियाणा दौड़ाऊंगा। 5 किलोमीटर 25 मिनट में भर्ती करवा दूंगा पुलिस में। अभी सोच लो, this workshop is a crazy workshop, isn't it, Vanshika? They're doing a very costly mistake, isn't it? You're doing a very costly mistake. Bhartiya Nari, what do you think? उसको बोल दे एक बार पीट के आ जाओ उसको फिर से। Isn't that nonsense? Isn't that nonsense what they're doing? So you just told me you don't tolerate nonsense. Partha, you want to talk to them and just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 एक फोटो ले लो यार इनका। इंडिक टीन्स फेस्ट के इसमें डाल देंगे, वेबसाइट फेसबुक पे डाल देंगे। मैं बेचारा काम के बोझ का मारा, सीनियर सिटीजन, मेरे को चाहिए कुर्सी। फोटो ले यार जाके पास में। Okay, so in IIT, okay, these guys are okay. They have some back problem, and they have they have some knee problem. They have some other problem. They cannot disclose that problem. Very dangerous problem. They have some Baba Bengali problem. I'm very sorry. Sorry about that. Okay, anyway, so Partha, did you take a nice picture of those guys, senior citizens of Indic Teen Fest? हाँ, इनको कंसेशन देके वापस भेजना. आप इनको टिकट बुक करेंगे तो सीनियर सिटीजन कंसेशन लेके इनके बाल, हाँ, फ्री में टिकट. और लेकिन बोलना चढ़ते वक्त कि मैं सीनियर सिटीजन, गाड़ी में, बस में, ट्रेन में, बैलगाड़ी में बैठे, थोड़ा कंसेशन. ये लोग तो ठीक हो गए ना बिना दवा के. हाँ, अगली बार अरे अब अगली बार की बात नहीं करेंगे, अगली कड़ी की बात नहीं करेंगे, अभी की बात करेंगे. ओके, एनीवे, यू विल मेल्ट अ लिटिल बिट, इट विल टेक सम टाइम, थोड़ा सा टाइम, पिघलने में टाइम लगता है ना, ज्यादा जो सख्त हो जाता है. एनीवे, सो I talk to in IIT to my students. I talk about something called, ये जो मुद्रा में बैठी हुई थी शालीन थोड़ी देर पहले किस मुद्रा में बैठी हुई थी, मैं जरा एक डेमो देता हूं. थोड़ी सी मेरे को कुर्सी लेना पड़ेगा 2 मिनट के लिए. Can I have that कुर्सी? Yeah. So that is a specific look that you see in Hindi films, you know, and it is a strategic angle look, you know. So angle is calculated. Shaleen calculated that exact angle. She calculated the angle at which this person will not talk to her at all. You know, she calculated that angle. It is neither looking up nor looking down, but looking somewhere. Neither looking here nor looking there, but somewhere else. And that is something that I call the Suhag Raat look. So she was in that Suhag Raat look. These guys are still celebrating Suhag Raat. वो बोल रहे हैं अभी नहीं. They are all saying अभी नहीं. You know, बादाम का दूध है, केसर मिला हुआ है, और you understand what is Suhag Raat look? Oh, they don't understand. Oh, grade 8, do you understand? Do you understand? They better not. Do you understand what is Suhag Raat look? Oh, they don't. Very innocent. Very innocent. Anyway, so these are the challenges when you face a mixed audience, you know, grade 8 with mobile phone, you know. And there was somebody else also with mobile phone. ये काजीरंगा ढूंढ रहा था मोबाइल फोन पे. 2 मोबाइल फोन, एक तो गेटवे के साथ जमा किया, एक लेके चल रहा था. एक ही था तेरे पास, तो वो तो जमा करना था ना. It's okay. Just pulling it like, okay. So anyway, very simple thing I want to ask you is, what is the opportunity of coming to a place like Indic Teens Fest 2018? Indic Teen Fest या जिंदगी मौका है या जिंदगी धोखा है? कितने लोगों को लगता है कि जिंदगी मौका है? जो लोग नीचे उतरे ना, उन लोगों के लिए तो मेरे को लगता है कि जिंदगी मौका है. और जो उधर बैठे हुए हैं, मैं उनसे पूछना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि हाथ उठाए नहीं किसी ने. फेरारी ने भी नहीं उठाया. फेरारी, क्या हुआ? जिंदगी मौका है या धोखा है? बता भाई. जिंदगी कुछ भी नहीं है. आगे आ जा. फेरारी आ जा. पार्था, give me my hand. For everybody who moves from that chair, now we'll give a big round of applause. Can we give a big round of applause for Ferrari? Okay, so we are breaking down the resistance a little bit. Okay. Yes, Ferrari, बता कुछ भी. अरे कुछ भी. माइक ले, कुछ शायरी, गजल, कुछ कर. Anything you want to say? कुछ भी नहीं. Anything you want to say to anybody? There are so many beautiful people here. कुछ भी नहीं. बैठ. आजा. नहीं, इधर. पार्था, पकड़ ले उसको. बाउंसर रखा हुआ है मैंने, बाउंसर. It's okay. Okay. So people are so, yeah, isn't it? So do we want to flow in life, or do we want to feel that, oh, this is very funny, going here is very funny, huh? Standing up there is something funny. These guys are different. Now, I want to retain my rigid idea कि मैं जाऊंगा इंडिक टीन फेस्ट, लेकिन जैकेट पहन के जाऊंगा ताकि कोई मेरे को छू ना सके, कोई चीज मेरे को छू ना ले. मैं बिल्कुल सही हूं. मैं कुछ सीखना नहीं चाहता हूं. मैं बंद हूं या मैं खुला हूं. What is the idea with which you came to Indic Teen Fest? आप लोग कुछ आए, कुछ महसूस करने के लिए, कुछ अनुभव करने के लिए, या जैकेट पहन के एकदम. कुछ लोगों के जैकेट मैंने देखे और टाइट्स मैंने देखे तो मेरे को लगा कि पता नहीं ये कितना, हाँ? This one. You're a cyclist? You cycle a lot? Okay. So these guys are wearing jackets, and they're invisible jackets. Wearing that, I will not open up. Huh? And this girl was also like that sometime back. Bharatiya Nari. हाँ, भारतीय नारी भी ऐसी थी, थोड़ा मार रही थी, उसको दर्द हो रहा है बेचारे को, वो बाहर जाके शायद पट्टी करवा के आया है। So, most of you are from which grade here? Grade 11, grade 12? Vanshika's 12. How many of you are from 12? So we'll begin with 12. Is it okay? Because you will all end up in another 25 years in grade 12, isn't it? Other people in another 25 years, because life seems, every year seems like 25 years, isn't it? Does every year seem very long? Does grade 12 seem like 25 years? No, it does not. But you're in grade 12 now? You completed grade. No, but then next year. How does next year feel like? जब आएगा जब मालूम होगा, अभी नहीं मालूम हो रहा। ग्रेड 12 कितनी देर में चला गया? ग्रेड 12 15 मिनट में चला गया। किस के लिए ग्रेड 12 बड़ा लंबा गया? Anybody here? Be honest, because the whole purpose of this session is that if we are honest and authentic, then you're going to take back something very amazing. पर उसके लिए खुलना पड़ेगा थोड़ा। ये दोनों तितलियां जो है बिल्कुल बंद है। तितली कभी बंद तितली देखा किसी ने? देख। You're finding it so, yeah. Sorry?
Grade 12 went the quickest.
Sorry.
Grade 12 went the quickest. So jaldi gayi 12.
Grade 12 went the quickest. Okay. Where are you from? Sonipat, it's okay, wonderful. Grade 12 went the quickest. Wonderful. Yeah. So, is life or the present situation in which we are, right now we are in this session, right? Now, what is going on inside the mind when we are in this session? Very often we are trying to guess, and some of those people are thinking, oh, this is going to be another boring session. How many of you thought, when you walked inside, be honest, huh? How many of you came inside this session thinking, अरे यार और 2 घंटे झेलने हैं? ऐसे कितने लोगों ने सोचा? बहुत लोगों ने सोचा।
Not really, because I didn't know what it was going to be about.
Oh, but many of you thought, अरे और 2 घंटे झेलने हैं. You also thought, all of you, झेल रहे हो, अभी भी झेल रहे हो. तुम, हाँ? कौन आधा घंटा झेला? अभी नहीं झेल रहे हो? अभी भी झेल रहे हो? झेल रहा। तो ये लोग जो झेल रहे हैं, इनको झेलने दें या इनको खेलने दें? इनको खेलने दें. Soumya, do I have your permission to kindly release them? You are released from the session. You can leave. Either you can leave or you can drop this statement कि झेल रहे हैं. You want to drop the statement. You have to prove to them that you have dropped the statement कि हम अभी झेल नहीं रहे. How can you prove to them? You have to come up here and prove to them कि मैं अब झेल नहीं रहा हूं, मैं अब खेल रहा हूं. आप लोगों में से कितने लोग यहाँ पे खेल रहे हो? मैं खेल रहा हूं. I'm playing here. My PowerPoint has crashed today morning when I was coming in between the flight. My Mac will not open. I have retrieved my PowerPoint. I may have a video to show you. Yeah, I have hundreds of chutkulas to share with you. I can share many things with you and you can share many things with me which you may find it difficult to share with parents. Yeah, that is the purpose of Indic Teen Fest, isn't it? To bridge the intergenerational gap. Yeah, to speak to yourself, to understand yourself. Yeah, तो इनको झेलने दें या खेलने दें? तो खेलना बाहर या यहाँ पे? Ferrari and team. बता. यहीं पे खेल लेंगे, लेकिन मेरे को नहीं लग रहा ना, मेरे को लग रहा है आप लोग झेल रहे हो. Can you leave for another one more round and come? Run one more round. No, you'll have to leave. I am taking Soumya's permission to relieve you because this kind of thing cannot happen in life. Huh? कि कोई रूठा हुआ है घर में, तो जो रूठा हुआ है उसको पहले मनाते हैं ना, तुम लोग रूठे हुए अंदर से एकदम ट्विस्टेड. मैं जलेबी की तरह सीधा, मैं सीधा एकदम देसी घी का जलेबी सीधा, ऐसे तुम लोग, और ये लोग टेढ़े मेढ़े. तो मैं किससे बात करूं? इन लोगों से बात करूं या तुम लोगों से बात करूं? टीचर्स को दिक्कत होती है ना? You're a teacher at Gateway? Where are you from? From Kurukshetra. What are you doing in Kurukshetra? स्कूल में ऐसे मिलते हैं, मैं जलेबी की तरह सीधा मिलते हैं, जरूर मिलते हैं। आप कैसे उनसे पेश आते हो? मेरे को थोड़ा सिखाइए ना। क्लास से बाहर निकाल, क्या बताओ? हाँ, ये अपने आप बोल रहा है। हाँ, बिल्कुल। ओके, so anyway, so there will always be some other kind of response to anything that we do, right? It's not that it's wrong. I'm not saying that they're wrong. Huh? I'm only trying to find a way to dialogue with them. Isn't it? In society also, in the football field also, don't we find people? We sometimes find people with whom we are able to communicate, and sometimes we find a greater challenge. We do not find the medium to communicate, right? Now, initially, I consider it a big success that we are able to get rid of the chairs and we are able to now communicate with Bharatiya Nari, with Vanshika, with Sonipat, with Titli, with Shaleen, with Grade 8, with many people we are able to communicate. So communication is a key. So communication is a natural quality of each one of us. Yeah, would we all like to have this power of communication that I had this mic and I had, initially when you were sitting, you tell me, was it very difficult for me to communicate with you guys or not? And what was making it difficult? Was I making it difficult, or was the internal mudra that we are taking, we are saying, I am here but I am not here. I am only physically here. I am connected to my router, my wireless Wi-Fi at my home. I am there. I am looking at when Viredi wedding ticket will be available. Or whatever. Okay? So many times we think that we are here, but we are only partially here. Yeah? Now if I have to enjoy this session, and I am thinking right now, this is the time for my son to leave for swimming class. Has my wife slept off? Has the alarm gone off? Has she taken him or not to swimming? Has she taken Uber or Ola? Has she taken the auto? Has my son forgotten the mobile in the auto rickshaw? Will I be able to enjoy this session with all of you? With Bharatiya Nari and with Vanshika and with Shaleen and with all of you and with Soumya and with all of you? Will I be able to enjoy if I am thinking about that? कि ओला लिया या उबर लिया, 5 रुपए ज्यादा तो नहीं दे दिए, मोदी जी ने नोट छोटे बना दिए, 50 के नोट के साथ 500 का नोट तो नहीं दे दिया, ये सब मान लीजिए मैं सोचता हूं, तो मैं इस क्षण का आनंद ले पाऊंगा क्या? नहीं ले पाऊंगा। तो इसको कहते हैं बिखरे हुए रहना, होना यहां पे लेकिन पूर्ण तरह से नहीं होना यहां पे। तो ऐसे कितनी परसेंटेज हमारी जिंदगी हम लोग बिखर के हम लोग निकाल देते हैं? कुछ आइडिया है आप लोगों को इन जनरल? यू हैव सम आइडिया? बिखर के हम लोग कितना परसेंट जिंदगी निकाल देते हैं? हाफ ऑफ इट, मोर देन हाफ ऑफ इट, बाकी हाफ ऑफ इट मुक्का बाकी हाफ ऑफ इट मुक्का में चला गया। ओके, या यू 100%. So we are divided. So I am here and I am thinking about absolutely nothing else. I am not even thinking about what is the next slide. I am only thinking about being here with all of you. उसको कहते हैं right here, right now. Okay? So joy, being in joy or being in flow is about being here, right now. I want to ask all of you, is it possible for you to enjoy this session right now in 15 minutes? अभी मान लीजिए time क्या? What's the time, Partha? 3:15. Is it possible for you in 3:15 to enjoy the 3:30th moment right now? कि 3 hours and 30 minutes में जो सेशन हो रहा है उसको मैं बोलूं कि उसको अभी अनुभव करो, संभव है? लेकिन कितनी जिंदगी हम लोग आगे में रह के हम लोग जी रहे होते हैं, वर्तमान में नहीं होते हैं. वी आर नॉट इन द प्रेजेंट. वी आर थिंकिंग आई एम गोइंग टू क्लियर ग्रेड 8, somebody is thinking I'm going to clear grade 12, and somebody is thinking I will be in X college or Y college, but is not enjoying this present moment. Do we live like that or not? Yeah. And wherever we have picked it up from, obviously we have picked it up from our grandparents, our parents, the television sets, media, from Katrina Kaif, or whoever it is that we picked it up from. I don't know wherever we picked it up from. Wherever we may have picked it up from. I don't know. Okay. But wherever we have picked it up from, if we have picked up some, as she says, nonsense, I don't like nonsense, right? And we are aware of that we have picked up some nonsense, we can discard that, because that is interfering with our life. Because I teach a lot of people at IIT, year after year after year, and they may be people you look up to, है ना? IIT जो clear करता है उसको लोग किसी particular नजर से देखते हैं ना कि this guy must be very brainy or this guy must be very successful or very hard working or whatever. But those people also can make that mistake where they are thinking about not enjoying or living this moment, but thinking about next moment. Living in not this moment, but living in next moment. हम लोग जीते हैं ऐसे? यदि ऐसे जीते हैं तो आनंद में रहते हैं या अभाव में रहते हैं? Yeah, or not only that, we don't not only live in next moment, we also sometimes live in previous moment. We live in February 14 or January 14, 2014, 2013. What do you think? This is now 18, right? We live in February 2014 or January 2014. What do you think? We live in some other time. We think ऐसा होता तो क्या होता? So we call that either we live in guilt. We live either in guilt. या गिल्ट को क्या कहेंगे हिंदी में? पछतावे में, हाँ? और we live in anxiety. क्या होगा? कैसे होगा? Either guilt is the past or anxiety is the future. And where is the moment life to be lived? Life is only can be lived in the now moment, in the here moment. And whatever it is, society, people around us may also be wrong, and we may need to gently help them to be right. You know, many people live their life thinking about year-end report card. But year-end report card is a summary of all the moments that you live throughout the year. Then only there's a year-end report card, right? If I have missed all these moments from January to February to March to April, I have not lived in January, I have not lived in February, and then I come to December, obviously my report card will be something terrible, isn't it? Because I have not lived there. I have not lived in January, I have not lived in February. In January I was living in February I am living in March. So simple message that I want to share with all of you is to learn to, and even now all our bodies and minds are only, you know, this is Indic Teen Fest. I think the oldest person here must be 21 or 19 or forever 21. Must be 19, okay? So there is only a certain amount of programming which has happened. You understand the word called programming? We open a computer and we write a program. So like that, we are also being programmed with what is happening in the media, in the family, in the neighbor's home, in IIT Delhi, in All India Institute of Medical Science. हमारे ऊपर प्रभाव हो रहा है कि नहीं? रेडियो मिर्ची का और 104.8 FM का, हाँ? कौन सा? बोलो हाँ, दिल्ली का FM अलग है, हाँ, चलेगा, whatever, you can tell that FM number 104, Fever FM or whatever, हाँ? So there is a great opportunity, and if I am training myself, हाँ, जैसे घर में नया कुत्ता आता है तो उसकी ट्रेनिंग होती है ना, आप लोगों ने देखा? Yeah, why is adopting a pet or having a pet such a great responsibility? All children love to have pets at their home, isn't it? And parents usually refuse in urban places. They say, you know, एक तो तेरे को पाल रहा हूँ, है ना? अभी तो तेरी ट्रेनिंग पूरी हुई है या हो रही है, don't mind. So they also need to be trained, right? Yeah, they need to be trained where to do it and where not to do it. Yeah. So like that, there is a lot of programming, there is a lot of training. Now, I may want training or I may not want training, but I am continuously being bombarded. Either teachers in Kurukshetra are bombarding me, or my tuition teacher is bombarding me, or my parents are bombarding me. They are saying, usko dekh. Or tu. Don't mind, huh? I'm just making caricature here. Yeah. And we are being programmed in that, isn't it? Huh? और फिर भारतीय नारी को गुस्सा आ जाता है, उसको देख, नहीं देखूंगी. Yeah. So is there a reference all the time? I am something very beautiful. I have a unique set of qualities, unique possibilities. मेरी संभावनाएं यूनिक हैं. और मेरे को कंपेयर किया जाता है मान लीजिए किसी और चीज से, या तू सानिया मिर्जा को देख, तू सैना नेहवाल को देख, तू पीवी सिंधु को देख, डोंट माइंड, इट्स ओके. Are we always being compared? Either we are comparing ourselves or somebody is comparing, and we are getting into that comparison trap. Are we? How many of us are victim of being compared, either by people very close to us or doing it ourselves? And some people are being very honest here, and I want to thank them for being honest. Yeah. And does that make us feel large, or does that make us feel smaller? And what do you want to feel? Yeah. So we all want to feel large. Large does not mean artificially large. Large means whatever I am, right? I have natural possibility of growing. Guys, आपको माइक दे दूंगा, फिर यहाँ आना पड़ेगा. ये कहते हैं कि रिलक्टेंटली रहना यहाँ पे. आप लोग इसीलिए तो आप लोग टूट नहीं रहे हो, बोल रहे हो कि मरूंगा लेकिन रहूंगा नहीं. यहाँ पे मेरे कंडीशंस पे रहूंगा, शर्त पे, शर्तें लागू है ना. तुम लोग यहाँ पे हो किस चीज के साथ हो? शर्तें लागू. हूं लेकिन नहीं हूं, कर ले उखाड़ ले कर ले, that kind of thing. That is how you guys are here. So either you guys leave or you guys participate. Not this nonsense that you're doing. And she doesn't tolerate nonsense. इससे इसकी फौज बढ़ रही है. Okay? So we are being a little bit programmed. Our natural state is to flower, खिलना, खुलना, खेलना. बच्चों का नेचुरल स्टेट है ना खेलना. बच्चों का नेचुरल स्टेट खेलना है कि नहीं? आप लोगों को क्यों अच्छा लग रहा है? क्योंकि वो आपको अननेचुरल था थोड़ा सा. जो आप लोग कुर्सी पे बैठे हुए थे, एक कतार में बैठे हुए थे, ऐसे दिखाना है कि बहुत सीरियस हो, फोटोग्राफी हो रही है. अब कैमरामैन को मेरे को लगता है कि ये सेशन सबसे बढ़िया सेशन लगेगा. क्यों साहब? आपको आपके विजुअल्स मिल गए. मशीन नहीं है ना, कैमरामैन मशीन नहीं है, उसकी भी फीलिंग्स होती है. उसका मैं यदि कैमरा साहब का इंटरव्यू लूं इनका, तो इनको पता चलेगा कि मेरे को अच्छे शॉट्स मिल गए. क्यों मिले? क्योंकि आप लोग नेचुरल स्टेट में आ गए, है ना. आप लोग उतर के अपने नेचुरल स्टेट में आ गए कि नहीं? Are you guys comfortable or not right now? You guys feel that you can ask me anything? How many of you feel here that you can ask me any question you want? And do you want to have a session of questions? तो एक हाथ ऊपर जा रहा है, दूसरा नीचे खींच. नहीं, क्यों किया तूने ऊपर? गलती मत कर, ऐसी गलती मत कर, मत कर, कभी मत कर. How many of you want to ask questions? Because this is an interactive session. You want to ask a question? Go ahead. हिंदी में? तेरी अंग्रेजी बड़ी तोड़-फोड़ है, मेरे समझ में नहीं आएगी. इतनी बार मेरे को पूछना पड़ा कि 15 मिनट में खत्म हो गया ना. मेरे को मैं थोड़ा देहाती इलाके का हूं. Listen guys, IIT में ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स को मैं डायरेक्ट रास्कल्स बोलता हूं, और वो मेरे सबसे अच्छे दोस्त हैं. क्योंकि उनको पता है कि तूने कैसे पहचाना कि मैं चरस पी के आया था क्लास. आई थिंक मेरे स्टूडेंट्स आज भी पूछते हैं, वन मिनट ना, आई हैव अ स्टोरी. अभी भी मेरे को पता चल जाता है कि कौन चरस पी के मेरे क्लास में आया, और मैं उनको डायरेक्टली ऐसे बोलता हूं. वो मेरे को आके पूछते, सर आपको कैसे मालूम कि मैं चरस पी के आया था? तो इनको मैं नहीं पूछ रहा हूं कि ये क्या पी के आया है, बाद में बात करेंगे. हाँ, गो अहेड. No. You have to ensure that there is. See, one of the things for anybody communicating is that everybody should listen to you, right? So you have to ensure. So you may have to stand up, or you may have to go there and stand in between them to talk. But you have to create a condition. Did we create a condition where there is listening right now? हमने ऐसी condition create की कि नहीं? और वायलेंस से किया क्या? हमने जोर जबरदस्ती की. ऐसा लगा इनिशियली कि हम आपको धक्का दे रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा, है ना, खराब लग रहा था, उठने में अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था, लेकिन अभी ठीक लग रहा है. बट देयर वाज नो वायलेंस, नो. डिड वी यूज एनी वायलेंस? इनफैक्ट सौम्या गॉट अप एंड सेड, उठो. आई सेड नो सौम्या, लेट द प्रोसेस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, नॉट द आउटकम. यूजुअली वी आर थिंकिंग आउटकम इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सब लोग नीचे बैठ जाएंगे, वैसे ही बैठेंगे जैसे वहां बैठे हुए थे, जैसे कुरुक्षेत्र में मैडम के क्लास में बैठेंगे. यहां पे अलग मुद्रा में बैठे हुए हैं, खुले हुए हैं. क्यों खुले हुए हैं? क्योंकि आपकी सहमति से हुआ, थोड़ा संवाद के साथ हुआ. तो हमारी जिंदगी में भी संवाद की जरूरत है, सहमति की जरूरत है. हाँ, गो अहेड, कम अप हियर, बिकॉज़ आवर cameraman is shooting and you are on camera. Go ahead and ask the question to everybody, because anybody can answer this question, not only me.
Well, my question is actually directed to you.
Yeah.
where will I get it?
Great. Yeah,
So,
absolutely.
yeah.
Absolutely. I'll answer your question. I'll answer it indirectly. चलेगा? और direct चाहिए answer.
Indirect.
Indirect चलेगा. Okay. So we'll answer her question. She's asking, should I plan for my future or not? Okay. Yeah, I can plan for my future, but can I plan for my future in being disconnected with myself? I am disconnected with myself. Huh? I don't know who I am. I don't know what my qualities are. And I am only looking at मेरी पड़ोसन इंडिगो में एयर होस्टेस बन गई. मेरे को भी उड़ना है. मान लीजिए. Don't mind. Huh? Are you looking at a career in the hospitality sector? No. Which sector?
Management.
Management. Okay. Huh? So if I think that पड़ोसी की लड़की तो इंडिगो में उड़ रही है, मेरे को भी उड़ना है. बट तू समझ ना, तू की चिड़िया है या कबूतर है या कौवा है या तितली है, तू क्या है, मैं समझे बगैर मैं भी उड़ूं. So I hope you understand what I'm saying. I'm not saying that you should not fly or you should not plan, but you should also have an element of understanding the elements of your own being.
That also occupies major thinking,
Which occupies major thinking?
future planning.
Future plan, yeah. It's
Occupies major parts of the day, and usually, I mean,
no, that is good. That is good. That's exploring actually, isn't it? I'll call that. So what you're saying is aspiring. You're aspiring for something. You're not only thinking about it, isn't it? You're aspiring for it, isn't it? So many people only think. How many of us are thinking here right now? How many of us are thinking here? Thinking right now. Thinking. Titli not thinking. सोच नहीं रहे हैं अभी. हिंदी ज्यादा अंग्रेजी हो रही है. ज्यादा गाली गलौज हो रही है. नहीं. घर में ज्यादा होती है. अरे होती है ना. अच्छा नहीं होती. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, how many of us are thinking here? Thinking. Yeah. And how many of us are feeling? Are we feeling at this point of time? Feeling irritated that I've been made to sit down here. Feeling irritated. How many of you are feeling irritated? Feeling mad. How many of you are feeling mad? Feeling bad. Anybody feeling bad? Anybody feeling bad here? Feeling glad. How many of you are feeling glad? Vanshika's hand is going up. Feeling good, okay. So there are many feelings. Huh? Glad, bad, mad, sad. Huh? These are the four major types of feelings. February 14, 2014. Sad. Okay. So, and there are various states of, so beyond thinking, you're saying thinking, there is feeling also, right? So if I remove this feeling component from inside and there is only thinking, what happens? Which one? Thinking leads to overthinking. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. So, तो मैं IIT में एक और बोलता हूँ किस्सा कि IIT के जो बच्चे होते हैं ना बड़े बदमाश होते हैं आप लोगों से ज्यादा. हाँ? शरीफ होते हैं IIT के बच्चे. अच्छा, तेरे को पता? Okay, so I am used to making, yeah, so you're saying overthink, very interesting. She's raising some very interesting questions. She's just completed her grade 12, so obviously she's thinking of a career in management and she's asking, and this session is meant to be interactive, so I'm very happy that our friend, what's your name? Shreya is asking these questions. They are questions which may be little advanced for the grade 8 and grade 9, but it's very interesting. She's saying that sometimes we are into excessive thinking, right? So that is something that we call paralysis by analysis. हम लोग इतना सोचते हैं कि हम लोग पैरालाइज हो जाते हैं कि कुछ नहीं कर पाते. इतना सोचते हैं कि हम ना ये एक्शन ले पाते हैं ना वो एक्शन ले पाते हैं, ना ऊर्जा बह रही है ना आइडियाज बह रहे हैं. ओके, सो ओवर थिंकिंग. सो देयर इज थिंकिंग, देयर इज फीलिंग, and how many of us are doing something right now here? They're also doing, they're engaging, we are dialoguing, we are listening. It's also doing, no? And if I say that these things, thinking, feeling, doing, are all separate, does it make sense to our life? कि मेरी सोच अलग है, मेरी भावना अलग है, मेरा सुनना अलग है, मेरा करना अलग है. और कई बार ऐसे हो जाता है कि हमें पता ही नहीं है कि ये चीजें एकत्रित नहीं है, इंटीग्रेटेड नहीं है. तब उसमें क्या होता है, आदमी बीते हुए कल में चला जाता है या आने वाले कल में चला जाता है, वर्तमान में. तो एक्शन कहां पे हो रहा है? थिंकिंग में भी इन द फ्यूचर, बट वेयर इज द एक्शन हैपनिंग? I want to apply to Hindu college or LSR or this or that. Action is happening here, right? And action has to happen. This action, series of actions that are happening here, are they sad actions right now? Melancholy, mayus, मायूस एक्शंस हैं। अभी जब 2, सवा 2, 2:30 बजे से हम लोगों ने शुरू किया, आप लोगों को यहां पे क्या महसूस हो रहा है? मायूसी महसूस हो रही है या नेचुरल स्टेट महसूस हो रहा है? और हम लोग इसी स्टेट में रहना चाहेंगे। हाँ, क्या कह रहे हो? मायूसी महसूस हो रही है, पता चल रहा है मेरे को। सवेरे से तेरे को जो खाना था तेरे को नहीं मिला, क्या खाया? दाल मखनी, लेकिन वो नहीं मिला जो तेरे को चाहिए था। क्या चाहिए थी? चिकन चाहिए था। सी, सो उसको चिकन चाहिए था और दाल मिली तो मंजूर नहीं है, स्वीकार नहीं है, तो कह रहा है कि मायूसी। तो मायूसी का क्या कारण है? अस्वीकार। तो जस्ट लाइक आवर फ्रेंड श्रेया, very interesting, she shared all the answers are there inside this room. I am not consulting any PowerPoint. चिकन, तेरा नाम बता, नाम बता, नाम। अनुराग। तो अनुराग कह रहा है मेरे को चाहिए था चिकन,
नॉनसेंस था, उसका नाम तुषार है।
उसका नाम तुषार है। तो बिल्कुल वो कंप्लीट नॉनसेंस में है। थैंक यू भारतीय नारी। तो देखो कितना, see how much fake life we can lead. His name is Tushar, but I am asking his name, he's saying Anurag, but is his truth coming out or not? So somebody will approach you on Facebook saying I am Prince Charming, and will his truth come out or not? So how long can you continue this hypocrisy, fake news, huh? Life with fake news, huh? Anyway, so मायूसी में जी रहा है। क्यों मायूसी में जी रहा है? मायूसी में जी रहा है तो ऐसी चीज कर रहा है। नाम है तुषार, बोल रहा है अनुराग। बोलो बोलो बोलो। अभी तू सोच भी रहा चिकन। हाँ, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। एनीवे, सो मायूसी का क्या कारण है? मायूसी का एग्जाम्पल है यहां पे, वो कह रहा खुद मैं मायूस हूं यहां पे। मायूसी का कारण क्या है? मायूसी का मुख्य कारण है अस्वीकार। हाँ, या
Not actually.
faking to be happy. That's an outcome actually. That's an outcome, isn't it? Very interesting. I'm very happy that people are participating in this session. Yeah. Being non-authentic, being in disconnect with oneself. Shreya, if I'm in disconnect with myself, if I'm thinking about Ahmedabad, where my family is right now, I'll come to you. If I'm disconnect with here and now, it's a sure recipe to be unhappy, to be unfulfilled. And you will have everything. Suppose I give you whatever you want. You say that I want to have a career in management, but I am in disconnect with myself. I am Anurag, but I am Tushar, but I say I am Anurag. It's like that. Then I'll say मेरे को चिकन नहीं मिला, चिकन मिला तो भी वो नहीं मिला, वो टुकड़ा नहीं मिला जो मेरे को मिलना चाहिए था. There can be levels and levels of dissatisfaction, non-acceptance. वो है यहाँ पे reluctantly is here. ऐसे लग रहा है कि इसीलिए मैंने कहा कि तशरीफ ले जाओ, जंगल में चले जाओ, जो करना है कर लो, लेकिन जाना भी नहीं है, मतलब रहेंगे भी और ऐसे रहेंगे. Sure recipe for discomfort. So right now there's a lot of acids getting secreted inside and life is becoming acidic. He's not eaten anything acidic, but he's creating all the acids inside of himself. You want to say something? Good? No, complete it. It's important. It's all about your sharing. It's not about me coming here and throwing some lot of, Bhagavad Gita or Quran or Bible at all of you. Yeah, go ahead.
When we think that there is some defect in us,
Mm-hmm.
when we think that when we start to, be focusing on our flaws and giving sympathy to ourselves,
Uh-huh.
we should be proud of ourselves, we should be ourselves.
Uh-huh. What's your name? Anisha. A-N-I-S-H-A. A-N-W-S-H-A. Were you anytime in Canada? Where were you? Where did you study? Where have you been studying? In Delhi, where? ये दिल्ली वाले जब बोलते हैं ना दिल्ली क्वेश्चन मार्क बोलते हैं. दिल्ली? India? Where else? Where else? Balbhati. Okay, very interesting. Yeah, there was no question mark now. Did you see that? Very interesting. Delhi people are very interesting. Yeah. Delhi? India? Dholakua? Where else? Where else? Okay, so what is the primary thing that we need to, anything that we want to achieve? She said, very interesting sharings we have had from Shreya, from Anisha, Delhi, India. She says, what is one major reason? She says is that we don't believe in ourselves, in our qualities. They're always thinking, I am not adequate, I am not perfect, she's better, he's better. What did you say exactly? Is that what you said? Or something else?
And that's the outcome of comparing.
We keep comparing. Huh? So we are all beautiful diamonds. Everybody here, including Tushar, Chicken, Anurag. Everybody is wonderful. Everybody has lot of possibilities. सबके लिए मौके हैं, लेकिन ये मौका को कई लोग धोखे के चश्मे से देखते हैं. सेशन के अंदर आते हैं. क्यों साहब? आप लोग गेटवे के टीचर्स हैं? Are you teachers at Gateway? You also a teacher at Gateway? तो कई बार आप लोग देखते हैं कि आपकी क्लास है, आपने कुछ नया सोचा है, लेकिन कोई आपके क्लास में बैठा हुआ है, पुराना चश्मा लेके बैठा हुआ है. आप तो करवा चौथ के बाद बदल के आ गई, लेकिन वो पुराना ही इमेज देख रहा है. Okay. Your class is not in this universe. I teach the way you teach. No, I teach the way you teach. Very interesting. Very interesting. Good. Yeah. Now I'm trying to have you all engaged. All the sporty people. I'm trying to have all the sporty people engaged here. Yeah. So I'm trying to keep it very simple. There are some small bunch of Sparta. Maybe you would like to open it. We'll show a couple of slides from out there so that you get a sense. Otherwise, you think this guy just came and पेल के चला गया साला. कुछ भी पेल के चला गया. And ये लोग तो सोच ही रहे हैं. सौम्या भी सोच रही है. You all know सौम्या? Okay. So life is only opportunity, possibility and abundance. Do you understand the word opportunities? Life is full of opportunities. Where are the opportunities? Are they in April or May, or are they all the opportunities are on June 9th, or all the opportunities are on July 9th? So the opportunity is when? Now, here and now. Opportunities are always coming to us. For me, today was an opportunity. I have a startup. I run a startup at IIT Delhi, and getting to talk to 60 odd people. When I wrote to Soumya yesterday evening, she said there may be 60 odd people in your session. I don't like to call it workshop. Did any of you feel that this is a workshop, that you have to slog here? So that's why I never use the word workshop when I communicated with Gateway. I only use the word session. I said joy of being session. Joy of being. Not joy of thinking, joy of doing, joy of feeling, but joy of being. Because being is the thing, isn't it? When we are sleeping also, are we being or not? When we sleep, as much as when we wake up, is the being there or not? Is the energy there or not? Yeah? So, has it gone off to sleep? You're waking it up? Okay, good. Okay, so I hope you understand two words. There is a framework with which we can lead life कि जिंदगी मौका है, या हम लोग उस framework में जी सकते हैं कि जिंदगी धोखा है. Everything that we do, sometimes we slip into negativity. Suppose I came here, yeah. Suppose I expected that more engaged people, and I find less engaged people, or some people more engaged and some people less engaged. I can still tell to myself, dhoka, or I can say, it depends on what I want to look at. I can look at something and lose my energy, or I can look at that thing also and say, ये भी मौका और वो भी मौका. Who asked the question? Shreya. Okay, good. Come up here. Introduce yourself. Shreya. Yeah.
I have the same question.
Huh.
You talked a lot about that, but you didn't tell me what to do. Like we keep on thinking, and that is overthinking. What to do?
Yeah. It's I'm very happy when there are two people asking the same question. Yeah. Then I answer that. Huh? I'm very naughty. I don't wait only to answer Shreya. Now, Shreya and Riya are both interested in asking this question. What do we do when we are overthinking? How many of you, this is an issue? Excessive, obsessive thinking. Bharatiya Nari, Vanshika, Riya, Shreya. What's your name? Suruchi, Shreya, Dhyana, G, Yana. Oh wow, wonderful. Oh, I forgot your name. And you think overthinking is an issue. Okay. Ananya. Poonam. Karina. Kuhu. Wow, wonderful. Sanghamitra. Great, great, great. Yeah. And many, many more lovely people. Butterflies and ants and elephants and donkeys and everybody. Everybody has this issue that sometimes we have an issue with overthinking. Right? Very interesting. These are all, I have ready-made answers because I have been dealing with all these naughty ones at IIT. They have these similar issues. Huh? Must have had. Okay. I just want to know the time, so I'll just keep it with me. Huh. So we sometimes have this issue with excessive thinking. Huh? So that means there's an imbalance between thinking, feeling and doing, isn't it? I like to use an example, and you may like to use this even with your friends, with your family, etc. Yeah. So I call it, and since you punch these 3 letters several million times a year, you will remember this every time you punch these 3 letters, huh? In that sequence. And that sequence is WWW. How many times you punch it every year? WWW. How many times you punch it in a year? Huh? Never counted, but tens of thousands of times, isn't it? Yeah. And I use that WWW as an example to tell a story, right? So one of the W's is work, that I want intellectually stimulating work. Huh? Is that for Shreya? That I want to have a great career. Yeah, is that one of the things? Huh? And for some people it is, I want to earn an ugly amount of wealth. How many people is that? I want to earn ugly, there are friends, hand goes up. I want to earn huge amounts of money. How many people that? So that I can have all the chicken in the world. There will be no chickens left. Huh? Anurag, money. Want to earn tremendous amount of money, yes or no? Zero, doesn't want to earn. No chicken. Huh? Dal. Ghar ki murgi, dal barabar. Yeah, how many other people? Vanshika, I think you are the one who want to. Enough to handle myself and my family. Okay, anybody else? How much? How much is good money? Sorry, average. What is average? How much ever is required? Okay, depending on the price of petrol. Okay.
No money is good, I'm Marwadi.
हाँ, you're a Marwadi. No money is good. वो सोते हुए भी बढ़ना चाहिए. वो मारवाड़ियों का है कि पैसे को सोने, तुम सो, पैसे को सोने मत दो, है ना? तुम्हारे यहाँ कहावत है ना मारवाड़ में. मारवाड़ी सोएगा, मारवाड़ी का. Don't mind. I've traveled all over the country, Banaras and Rajasthan, and I've lived all over the place, so I have muhavras for everybody. It's not that favorite Marwadi here. Anybody else? Money. How much money? Something that is required. Seriously. Okay. How much money? Forget your name. Anisha. How much money? 4 bedroom, 5 bedroom, penthouse. How much money does dad want? Let me ask all of you guys. How much money does dad want? Does your father want?
Whatever they.
How much money does father want?
Not father.
No, I'm asking father now. I shifted the question. Because father is our role model, isn't it?
Enough for having a nice,
Enough for having a nice, luxurious
luxurious
life. That's what Riya says. Nice, luxurious life. Okay. How much money does dad want? Satisfaction. And how much money do you want? Sorry? In which I have satisfaction. Okay. Very nice. Yana. How much money? Enough to provide me with a sense of security. Okay. Anybody else? How much money? How much money is enough? Luxurious life. Riya is becoming popular. Hashtag luxurious life is trending. Hashtag. Okay. How much money is good money? Yeah. Adidas. आग. आग क्या लिखा? आग लगा दूंगी या देंगे president, you're president of the आग लगा देंगे club. For that. No, you're not answering that. What's that? आग लगा देंगे. My gateway. Oh, great. So coming back to WWW, because I want to engage all of you. It's not that I want to give my lecture at all of you. So there was a great man in Greece who said once upon a time that lecturing is the worst form of teaching. And I have taken that. So I never lecture. I hope you have not been feeling that I've been lecturing to you guys. Huh? Right? I think we are in a dialogue. I'm as much taking ideas from you as I'm carrying the ideas that I'm, yeah? So W, what are the two W's? First W? Work. I need intoxication. My liquor is my work. W for work, W for wealth, and W for man or W for woman. I want relationships. Huh? Relationship can be anything. Relationship can mean a good friendship in grade 9, grade 10, grade 11. Relationship in our age of our parents or whatever can mean a marital relationship. Relationship can mean a relationship with a father, relationship with a friend, relationship with sabji wala, security guard, doodh wala, chai wala. We are in so many relationships, isn't it? Can we live our life without relationship? And is life defined only by one or two relationships or by thousands of relationships? But we think that, we want that one special relationship and baki sab gaya dhobi ke paas. So WWW. So which is the first W if you have to identify a part of your being? Which part of your being will you identify that with? Work. Work you will identify with which part of your being? There are many parts of our being, right? Mind, huh? Riya says mind, luxurious mind. Simple, luxurious mind, isn't it? Nice, luxurious. Nice hashtag, luxurious hashtag mind. Okay, so mind. She said W is identified with mind. Okay, very good. Which is the next W identified with? We are all being, right? Are we all being? Today we are introducing you to being in a different way, huh? And in a very simple manner, and you will continue this exploration after you go back to Bal Bharati and after you go back to management school. For many years we are going to continue this exploration because our life is all about understanding what is this being and this craving. I have dal and I want chicken, this craving. Yeah, I have something and I want something else. And the struggle in between that. Huh? Yeah. Second W, what is it identified with? What is the second W? इनको भूल गए ना? इनको बताना पड़ रहा है. Isha has to say and Vanshika has to say. And what's your name? Ayushi. Yeah. What's the second W identified with? Which aspect of our being? Wealth is identified with what? Okay. Passion. Okay. So this second W, so I am trying to just tell it to you in a manner in which you will remember long after this event. Okay. So the first W, work, is related to the mind. Very often we want work that satisfies us. Yeah. Intoxicated. Many people are intoxicated with work. Calm, calm, isn't it? So for some people drink liquor and for some people work does the work of liquor, isn't it? They have to have something to do. Workaholic, she says. Riya, you are a workaholic, I think. That's why. Huh? You're not. Shreyas, you're not. Oh, you are. Vanshika is. Please. Khali Dimag Shaitan ka ghar. Okay, that's a very Delhi wala. The way she said was completely Delhi style. Delhi style. Yeah. Yeah. So W, first W is mind or work and mind, isn't it? We do most of our work is intellectual unless you are a person like Partha. So he's a very creative person. He's an artist. He paints. If you go to stations of Delhi Metro, you will find his paintings out there. He's an amazing artist. He keeps quiet. He lets his paintbrush do the talking most of the time. Yeah, but it's not only, but it's a lot of being. Yeah, so like you said, yeah, work also is so many elements of our being. But I try to divide it to make it simple that sometimes we do work from our mind, we create wealth using our hands, isn't it? we build an empire brick by brick, whether it's a Tata Trust or Birla or any big company, Aditya Birla Group or whatever. It's a lot of hard work. It's work with hands, right? So thinking, doing, feeling. So WWW, W for thinking, work, W for feeling, heart, and W for wealth, doing, isn't it? We all build things, right? Build a house, 5-bedroom house that Anisha wants, simple luxurious house that Ria wants. Nice, sorry. I'm sorry. I take back the simple. Nice, nice, nice. Nice luxurious house, only 2 people but 5 bedrooms. I don't know what for. Simple, basic, average. Average penthouse for 2 people. Huh? And then have the stress and obesity and diabetes out of paying EMIs. Simple. I wanted only nice luxurious house. I wanted only average house. I wanted only basic. But disconnected with myself. I don't know myself, but I know house, penthouse. I want penthouse. Story of our parents, story of our neighbors. We want something more than, what is that? What are you? Ayushi. Something more than Ayushi. Ayushi, this is not it. Something more. And we program it into ourselves also. We think, this is not enough. I am not enough. So WWW. So what is missing? So very often we work, we think, we feel, but these 3 things are not integrated. They are not integrated. ये बंधे हुए नहीं हैं, ये बिखरे हुए हैं. हम लोग सोचते हैं, महसूस करते हैं, काम करते हैं, मेहनत करते हैं, लेकिन कई बार ये चीजें एक दिशा में काम नहीं कर रही, एक सूत्र में काम नहीं कर रही. So that is where knowing oneself. So when I know myself, so you came and asked me that question. So when I know myself, when I know my being, then there is appropriate amount of thinking, appropriate amount of feeling, and appropriate amount of doing.
So our 3 H's should work in the same.
So they are harmonized. Do you understand the word? Yeah? So yeah, thank you, Ria. So harmony, isn't it? So when there is a disharmony, then either we are working too much, basically thinking too much, or we are doing too much, or we are feeling too much or too little. Then there is no balance. So what do we need for that balance? We need the 4th W. That's the future of internet. WWWW, future of internet. 4th W is wisdom. Knowledge of being. Knowledge of being, knowledge of being, knowledge of being. Am I able to deal with these beings today? To some extent at least. They're not on those chairs. They went out. Soumya thought they were going to go out and never come back. They're back here. They're a little reluctant. कबड्डी के कोर्ट के बाहर बैठे हुए हैं, लेकिन बैठे तो हैं. One is able to transact because one is able to feel that there is something fundamental to my being discussed here. I am in revolt, but I cannot go away. Are you able to feel that, all of you? About whoever I am referring to, that I am in revolt, but I will not go away because I know that this is honey for myself. This is nectar. I cannot go away. Bharatiya Nari is still here. Yeah? So what is the 4th W? Wisdom. Wisdom is joy. That joy is our authentic nature. We normally think, I will get a career in management. I will get that nice, luxurious penthouse. I will get that average income. Basic income for my theka desi sharab. I'll be happy. And later I'll be happy, isn't it? Happiness is when? Happiness is after nice luxurious house. Happiness is after average income, not theka desi sharab. Average income. Happiness is when? When is happiness, Shreya?
It is in the outcome, but it should be in the process.
So happiness is in the outcome usually. So if I am a person who has always said happiness is at the end of the year,
It rarely happens in the outcome because sometimes things don't happen.
guys, Anisha is talking. Anisha is talking, yeah.
Sometimes
No, mic, they're recording. Yeah. You want to come up here? Come. No, please come. Bal Bharti. Dhalakwa. Pitampura. Okay, sorry. You're also Bal Bharti. You want to say something with Anisha? Okay. Good.
sometimes we just plan something and things don't go that way. Then we start giving up. And if we give up, then we'll never be happy. So we give up on happiness, we never get happiness.
But what if you are happiness yourself?
So then outcome doesn't matter. Then
Very interesting. So normally what we are told, yeah, Vanshika, I'll take you 1 minute. Thank you, Anisha. Sit. Change your place. Come here. Sit next to average Theka Sharab Desi. Yeah, average Desi Sharab. Don't mind, that's Haryana, so I make fun of Haryana. Yeah? Well, I'll take your question, just wait. So normally what are we thinking? We are working, I'm beginning my life, I've completed my grade 12, I'm beginning my journey and I'm thinking I'll reach somewhere and then I will be happy. Isn't that the program we have been told? We have been told. So who is doing absolutely amazing in life? Are they going through this journey thinking unhappy, happy? Are they leading life like that? Is anybody leading life like that can be happy? But we are programmed into thinking, you completed your grade 12, launch your startup or become a CEO, find some average Theka Sharab Desi, and then you'll be happy. And I always tell a story, and this guy was part of that story. Partha, you want to come up here? Come. And I say, and our parents telling us this story, maybe not, they're not telling grade 8 children, but they're telling it sooner and sooner. And I tell this story, Partha, you'll take one step with me, along with me, whenever I take one step. So Partha is on this journey. So Partha is a research student with me at IIT Delhi. He's an amazing photographer, right? But he's not like the typical person that you see in Delhi. I'll take one step and you'll take big step and you'll jump on this. Huh? I'll take a step. I may also jump and you may also jump, right? And the typical, sorry? So we'll take step like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So what's the typical story of life? I think Soumya should be here. Anybody can call Soumya? Because there's a very interesting story for Soumya also. Does anybody have Soumya's number? You want to call her? Will you be able to get her quickly? Okay? So it's a typical, what's the story? The story is we are told that it's a journey for happiness. Happiness is in, come John. Happiness is in what? Getting a good job. And after you get a job, first job, second job, what do people tell you around you? Happiness is in getting ugly amount of money. Money. And the neighbor is doing that and so he also has to do that, isn't it? Usko dekh. ये सब मैंने इसलिए किया कि उसको मिल रहा है सब. This is all happening around you. Is it happening around you? In the neighbor's home, in Pakistan, not in India. ये सब पाकिस्तान में हो रहा है. ये सब जो मैं बता रहा हूँ, यहाँ नहीं हो रहा है. Job, then what? Money. After money, what Partha? Settle down, like particles of dust, We are all particles of dust. Now we must settle down. अब settle हो जाओ. अब बहुत हो गया. बहुत ठेका शराब देसी हो गया. अब settle हो जाओ. Settle down. Now settle down. Now enough. अब थोड़ा settle down करके, मतलब whatever settle down means. You guys know what is better. Bharatiya Nari knows better what is settle down than I do. What is settle down? No. Before getting married. Settle down means settle. थोड़ा settle हो जा. Job हो गया. Ugly amount of money हो गया. ठेका शराब देसी हो गया. हाँ बता. नांदेड़ बता.
जैसे अपन खुद का घर बना लिए, गाड़ी खुद की हो गई ना. We are running like living on our own earning. That is basically.
Sorry, you didn't say anything so far. What is that? Living on what? Living on our own. Standing by our own feet. Until now, we were standing on somebody else's feet. Okay.
Now we were like living on our dad's earnings.
Living on dad's earnings.
Like living on your own earning is settlement.
Living on your own earning is settlement, but still being unhappy, isn't it? Basically being unhappy, isn't it? Job, money, settle. Then Partha recently went to Tezpur. I went with him. He got married. That's the next jump. Actually, you're off the floor. Then you don't know. Then there is Suhagrat look, everything, which I've already told you about. Partha, sit down. Yeah. So job, money, settle, marry. But does the story end there? Now, suppose you people have all, suppose this guy has completed all this job, money, settle, marry, innocent guy. And then they will still tell you, somebody will tell you, कुछ होना चाहिए. Parents still unhappy, in-laws still unhappy. 3 साल हो गए, क्या हो गया? What happened? No, she's in West Coast, I'm in East Coast. We don't get to meet. Yeah? So there is still something that is happening where the happiness is always in the future, in the next. Happiness is next. So I want to break that thing and say that is happiness next or is happiness at this 000 point of your life? Where is the 00 point of your life? Is it outside of you? Is the 000 point outside of us? That I will get a good education, when I will complete sociology from Lady Shri Ram, then I will do some masters from IGNOU, then I will happy, then I will do some IGNOU MPhil, then I will be happy, then I will do some PhD, then I will be happy, then I will be flying like a air hostess on Indigo and I will be happy. Happiness is the always postpone happiness. ठेका शराब देसी मिलेगा तब हैप्पी, तंदूरी चिकन का वो लेफ्ट पाव मिलेगा तब हैप्पी, तुषार बोलूंगा तब हैप्पी. Great. So I would like you to visit this site. How many of you would like to visit this site? It's called joyisyou.com. Okay. So we have a lot of follow-up content out there for you. There are videos that you can watch. There are small articles you can read. So do visit the website. We have a Facebook page. Do visit it. If you'd like to follow the page, please follow it. Okay. So there'll be a lot of follow-ups that you need, which are also available here. Okay. So. Right? So all of us are like the seed, right? All of us are like the seed which contains the whole tree that is going to grow. Normally when you look at this seed, apple seed, what do we think? This is just a seed. We eat the apple and throw away the seed. And we think the apple is everything, isn't it? But it's interesting that this holds all the possibility of this. So like that, potentially is there something within us? I don't know whether anybody has told us that the potential of the tree, complete tree, is there in the seed. And is the seed within us? And why should the seed? Can the seed create that by thinking I am not adequate? Does the seed ever think I cannot produce a leaf, I cannot produce a branch, I cannot produce roots? Okay, so we will all be working either individually or with teams, and two of the three or important things to do is recognizing my own qualities. How many of us have recognized fundamental quality? The more we recognize our inner quality, the more we recognize qualities in others, my own qualities grow. And the more I criticize people, the more I criticize myself and my things shrink, I become smaller and smaller. So the more I recognize my qualities, appreciate qualities in others, they may be family, they may be chaiwala, they may be peon of gateway, then I am able to unlock newer and newer qualities in myself. And to become best, I need to recognize, appreciate, and that leads to an automatic process of unlock of all qualities that are within you. Okay? I already mentioned to you that there are these three aspects of our being. And people said sometimes we do overthinking because there is no linking between thinking, feeling, doing, and the fourth one, which is being. This one we don't even approach because we are thinking so much, we are feeling so much. Yeah, so we are in the states of being, hosh, josh, behosh. Yeah, in this room I can classify this room into three states: hosh, josh, and behosh. And we swing between these three states. And what happens when we are swinging between these three states and there are no linkages? What's happening? That is what is happening, right? So we want to be in hosh and we want to be integrated at being. So hosh is required through this. Hosh is knowing yourself little by little. It's not a one night's journey, but it has to begin with one step. Okay? So last 2-3 slides. So there's a lot of inner noise. Right? I come into this room, I think, ये program एक और बकवास है. For example, that is something called inner conversation or self-talk. अंदर का बंदर, ये बोलता रहता है. आप सो जाते हो, ये फिर भी चबर चबर करता रहता है. And there are thoughts and feelings and beliefs. So these beliefs are पैसा कम है, प्रेम कम है, जीवन कम है, इंडिया साला बकवास है. बहुत सारे ऐसे statements अंदर चल रहे हैं, अंदर के बंदर में. Yeah, and they are taking away your happiness. So where is the happiness being looted? Happiness bank. Everybody has a happiness bank. और रोज डकैती हो रही है. डकैती कौन कर रहा है? बाहर से कोई आके कर रहा है? बाहर से आके चुरा रहा है नांदेड़ में कोई, या अंदर से कोई चुरा रहा है? हाँ? रोज चुरा रहा है और बोल रहा है कि, और ये भी बोल रहा है कि 12वीं क्लियर करूंगा तो सब अच्छा हो जाएगा. रोज चुरा, फिर चुरा रहा, फिर चुरा रहा. Okay? So there are lots of belief with respect to work, that work is boring. Success is only for Virat Kohli. Yeah, people are good only in Canada. Whatever, right? So the basic thing, the last slide is to shift from this mode of main bechara. So you know who are feeling main bechara here? Main bechara. काम के बोझ का मारा. मुझे चाहिए हमदर्द का टॉनिक सिंकारा. Yeah. So shift from the state of I am a poor victim. My parents are not good enough. My school is not good enough. I am not good enough. To a victor state. Okay. So leadership is starting from happy natural state. So your 0-0 state is joy. You're not working for joy. You're working from joy. So if you look at job, money, settle, marry, and you still don't know what joy is, but you're beginning from joy, are each one of these things going to be beautiful or not? And going to be amazingly beautiful because you're looking at possibility. Okay? So your thoughts are actions are creative, your words are inspiring, and then the self-talk is gone. The self-talk has been replaced by what we call happy natural state. Where is this happy natural state? Is it far away from you? Look at this guy. Huh? And look at yourself. And are we farther away from that because we put something inside? We put thoughts of tomorrow, looking at something in the future more and more. And you look at children, how are they? बच्चों की आंखें कैसी होती हैं और teenagers की आंखें कैसी होती हैं? How are they? फार के देख रहे होते हैं. They're taking information, looking at possibility, no fear, only possibility. So can we retain the child in us? We don't need to be childish, but we can be childlike. Retain the excellent qualities of the child. Only looks at possibility, only looks at beauty, only looks at joy. Okay? So practicing awareness. So shift from obstacle to opportunity. Don't look at life as a series of obstacles, but yeah, I can look at life as, Soumya, why do you have these terrible people in this room? But I treated all of you here as mock-up, isn't it? Become your own chief opportunity officer. Everything is an opportunity. Okay? Bring into awareness what are the most significant locks. Identify where you lose happiness. Become an integrated being. Love the now. Very challenging thing to do because there's always this mind, the programmed monkey mind which comes up, and take a lot of responsibility for your own evolution, for your own growth. Okay? So joyous being, and the workshop was about joy of being. So the joyous being believes in a, sorry?
It isn't a workshop, it's a session.
Yeah, it's a session. Thank you, Shreya. Yeah? So there's a lot of trust and belief in yourself. The feeling is of abundance. The thinking is innovative. The words are all only positive, inspirational, and the doing is all tasks are complete. How many of us have hundreds of incomplete tasks? Hundreds of tasks which we thought on January 1 we'll complete, but we have. Why? Because we do not trust here inside ourselves. It's not due to lack of resources. It's inside. Okay? So I hope you look at some of these. So we'll share this on our Facebook page. So do visit the Facebook page. If you like the presentation today, then you write something. If you have some questions, we'll come back to you. Okay? So basically, all of us need to answer this question. Not only what do I really want, what do I want? What do I really want? Do I want that simple, luxurious house or nice, luxurious house? Or do I really want that theka sharab, average desi? What do I want? What's at the core of my life? So core of our life is I am integrated, I am flowing, my qualities are flowing, and I accept and welcome challenges into my life. Okay? Thank you so much.